Hey, imagine you're cruising down the highway on a scorching summer day, windows down, music blasting, then suddenly steam erupts from under the hood, your engine seizes, and you're stranded on the side of the road with a repair bill that could wipe out your savings. Sound familiar? Well, 40% of engine failures stem from overheating, and those fixes can slam you with costs from $500 to a gut-wrenching $7,000 or more. But what if I told you that with a few smart insider moves, you could bulletproof your car's cooling system and make it last practically forever? Stick with me through this entire video because I'm not just dropping 7 game-changing tips, I'm unveiling 2 exclusive bonuses at the end. One's a pro mechanic's hidden hack to spot issues before they explode, and the other, a dead simple DIY fix that could save you from a total radiator meltdown without touching a wrench. Let's jump right in and transform how you handle your ride. Starting with tip number 7, always match your coolant to your car's specs and keep it topped off like clockwork. Look, I've seen too many folks fall for the trap that coolant is coolant. Big mistake. This stuff isn't just antifreeze, it's your engine's lifeline, wicking away blistering heat, fighting off rust like a shield, and stopping corrosion that sneaks in silent and deadly. Mix the wrong type, you're inviting disaster. Rust builds up slow, maybe a year before you notice, but then bam, bearing seize, heads crack, and you're staring at a $4,000 nightmare. I've been there in the shop, pulling apart engines that could have been saved with one glance at the owner's manual. Stick to what's recommended. Most last 7 years or 150,000 miles. Pro move? Dilute with distilled water only. Tap water's loaded with minerals that cake up your system like plaque and arteries, sparking overheating faster than you can say tow truck. Or grab pre-mixed, foolproof ratio every time. Quick check before topping off, peek in the reservoir. Murky color or gunk? Flush incoming. Trust me, this one habit alone keeps your engine purring smooth. But even the best coolant goes bad eventually, which brings us to tip 6. Schedule those coolant flushes religiously, no excuses. I hear it all the time. I'll wait till it breaks. Bad call. Stats show 35% of drivers procrastinate on fluid swaps, then pay through the nose when corrosion hits. Your manual might say 30,000 miles for green silicate stuff or 100,000 for the orange extended life, but real talk from the trenches, flush every 30 to 60,000 miles to stay ahead. Breakdown happens fast, coolant loses its punch, rust clogs channels, and overheating creeps in. Signs to watch? That sickly sweet smell wafting from the hood? Coolant's boiling over. Engine gurgling at startup? Air bubbles where coolant should flow. Or just plain discoloration. Don't ignore it. And if you've been skimping on the right mix, flush ASAP to reset. This isn't optional. It's your insurance against a fried motor. Most drivers nail the levels but bomb on flushes. Don't be that guy. Now, shifting gears to something sneaky that trips up even sharp owners. Tip 5. Swap your thermostat every 4 to 5 years. No ifs or buts. This little valve is the unsung hero, teaming with coolant to lock in that perfect engine temp between 195 and 220 degrees. Run too hot? Oil burns off, fuel efficiency tanks, parts warp. Too cold? Efficiency suffers, emissions spike. Tucked between engine and radiator, it stays shut cold to warm up quick, then pops open hot. But if it jams closed, instant overheat city. Stuck open, coolant floods in, drowning performance. I've yanked thermostats that looked fine but were ticking bombs after 100,000 miles. Don't gamble. Replace proactively and always go OEM. That extra $25 buys reliability over cheap knockoffs that fail fast. Modern rides with electric or map-controlled ones, even more finicky, 4 years max. Mention it during your flush. Mechanics often bundle it. Skip this and you're flirting with catastrophe. Alright, let's pause for a second. If this is hitting home and saving you headaches, smash that subscribe button right now. It keeps you locked in for more life-saving tips like these. Cool, let's roll on. Tip 4. Give your radiator cap the respect it deserves. Inspect and replace it every 4 to 5 years. Don't buy the myth that any old cap will do. This thing's a pressure wizard, holding 13 to 20 psi to keep coolant from boiling prematurely. Lose that seal, system pressure drops, boiling point crashes, and overheating ensues. I've seen caps with cracked rubber or worn springs turn minor drives into major breakdowns. Check before long trips. Rubber intact? Plastic seal solid? Spring bouncy? If not, swap. Stick to your manual's PSI rating. Waiting till it fails? You risk radiator damage, and we'll cover a quick test for that in the bonuses. Cheap fix, massive payoff. Don't overlook it. Speaking of pressure, those hoses under the hood are your cooling system's arteries. Tip 3. Hunt for cracks in your radiator hoses and replace them pronto. These bad boys shuttle coolant from engine to radiator and pump, but one leak, game over. Overheat, failure, total engine wipeout. Factors like bad coolant or age cut their 100,000-mile life short. Inspect cold. Squeeze them. Firm, no crunch, no leaks at ends. Good. Warm engine running, spot bulges or swelling, red flag, new hoses needed. Insider secret, don't just react, prevent with AT205 reseal spray. Controversial? Maybe, but it works wonders keeping rubber flexible, staving off cracks. Hit them yearly or every 6 months in brutal climates. Extreme heat amps the risk, so stay vigilant. Your engine thanks you. And in that summer swelter, nothing beats tip 2. Keep your radiator spotless inside and out. This beast dumps heat from coolant to air, but upfront placement means it sucks in bugs, dirt, mud, even rogue plastic bags, clogging fins and trapping heat. Result, coolant stays scorching. Engine follows suit. Clean it annually. Hose off debris with distilled water, targeting the condenser too. During flushes, pros deep clean the guts. While you're at it, eyeball for bends or damage. Prevention's cheaper than cures. Dirty radiator, silent killer. Don't let it build. Finally, the crown jewel, tip 1. Test your cooling fans regularly. They're your low-speed saviors. Highway wind cools the radiator fine, but in traffic or idling, fans kick in, blasting air to prevent boilover. Simple check, crank the AC max. Fans spin? Both if you've got them? No? Hunt electrical gremlins. Fuse, relay, sensor, wiring, motor. Fix fast. Driving fanless is a recipe for disaster. I've seen engines toast from this oversight. Don't join them. Whew, that's the Core 7.